1973 Plymouth Scamp. Does have the rally package on it. Although the car was red, so I don't believe that. Not only is this obviously not the original paint, I don't believe it came with the rally wheel and striping stuff on it. It is a 318 car. Why anybody would paint the grill black, I don't know, but deal with that. Whoever painted this car did it right. And that is actual paint, not decals. The vinyl looks good. Lock that one. Interior is in pretty good shape. It's definitely got some very rough edges on it. It's been sitting here since 2010. So, but all in all, not a bad find. I also believe, oh yeah, it does have factory air conditioning. I wouldn't have put that in there, but here's your factory air. And 71,963 original miles. So it is kind of a survivor car, unfortunately. I mean, it's really hard to tell. The way the paint was done on this car, it's jammed up so well inside these fenders and the doors. It's kind of hard to see. But if you pull the molding off, you can see that there's red there. That's not primer. So I do believe this car was red. The CX-8 or Curious Yellow, it's not a real popular car. I don't even know if it was offered in 73, but I want to pick this car up. So I'll show you some pictures and we'll see what happens.